Xtranol 24 is a triple patented process or ingredients that we're putting into our new Genesis formula. It's everything that it was before, plus we're adding whole wine extracts, Provinols. We're adding whole melon extracts, Extramel. And we're adding a unique and patented delivery system to ensure the bioavailability of all of our ingredients. The Xtranol 24 and the Provinols. The Provinols are from red wine that come from a Rhone region in France. It's an area that is very harsh actually, but this harsh region ensures that the resveratrol content in the grapes is going to be very high. It also increases the polyphenol content. And plant polyphenols contain a multitude of compounds. They're one of the most important and widely distributed groups of compounds in plants. But wine concentrates those, so we get a large quantity of polyphenols in wine if they were in the grapes. For the Provinols, when we're looking at this, we often see that other companies will give you grape seed extract, or maybe they'll sell grape skin extract. Well, we have the skins and the seed, and we put that into a pulp, and then there's a fermentation process. Now, the fermentation process is very important. When you're doing any kind of an herbal extraction or biological extraction, you get both fat-soluble and water-soluble. And so in all of our herbal products, we do a double extraction process. We have a water-soluble extraction process and a fat-soluble. Fat-soluble things, in this case, they're done with the alcohol fermentation. They pull out the fat-soluble polyphenols and put those into the red wine. So we do all of that. Then we have a patented process that removes all of the things, including all of the alcohol. What we're left with is a 95% minimum concentration of polyphenols. So what we have in the Provinols is a high concentration of resveratrol, polyphenols, and what's really amazing here is now we have a good source of catechin, epicatechin, and epicatechin gallate. These are something that's usually found in green tea, and there's a great deal of research that shows that this helps boost the immune system, it can help with weight loss, it helps fight off stomach problems. There's just a whole host of things that the catechins are good for. These are now also in Genesis. The Xtranol 24 and the polyphenols have a very diverse pharmacological spectrum of activity. They have cardiovascular properties, they help prevent heart disease. They're also very good against oxidation of circulating lipids. That's the LDL cholesterol. They don't allow that to oxidize, which is really what causes plaquing. They reduce platelet aggregation and increase blood fluidity. This can help reduce your stroke risk. We also have an antioxidant and plate anti-aggregate activity. This is beneficial for atherosclerosis. And it causes vasodilation. It opens up the blood vessels so that you get a greater blood flow. This can help reduce blood pressure, but it also, because it gets more blood everywhere, it helps your brain think. It helps relieve muscle stress. And because you get more oxygen and more nutrients, it helps anything heal faster.